Hi, I'm Monica from Liquid Culture, and today I'm going to be stirring up a traditional old fashioned. Now, for me, that is one of the cocktails that I absolutely hate ordering at a bar unless I know I'm getting it done by a professional. And so I just want to show you how some of the professionals have put it together for you so you can enjoy an old fashioned at home. Okay, so we're gonna grab our mixing glass. We're gonna be pouring 1 ounce of sugar. Okay, so 1 ounce of the brown sugar simple syrup. Then, of course, what's an old fashioned without our bitters? So we're gonna be adding some Angostura Bitters, just 2 dashes. One of my favorites is bringing out the orange. Typically, you know, if I had the brown sugar cubes, I would muddle it all together. But since I already have the syrup done, I'm gonna squeeze it like so. Just gonna add it in like that, okay? And just let it marinate. Let it marinate in love when it comes to this cocktail. So now we obviously have to add the spirit, which for Old Fashioned Week, it's kind of well known we gotta use Woodford, okay? So we're gonna pour 2 ounces of that. Now before I actually pour in the ice, I'm gonna prep my glassware. So I put my large ice cube, okay? So nice king cube, already prepped for my glass. I'm gonna add our ice cube. You wanna fill it up to about there. The reason is, it's the perfect measure. That ice is going to slowly start to dilute because I'm doing the stirring method. It's almost gonna get to equal heights, okay? The liquid and the ice. So that's how I know. And also, you know, your mixing glass becomes like very frosted. There's a few indicators. So you wanna stir for at least 30 seconds. All right, so we're done. I'm happy. Now it's all about straining. You just slowly pour it over top. Look at that beauty right here. Oh. I hope you guys know, I get this excited about cocktails, even pregnant. Like, even if I can't have a sip, that's okay. But I do have somebody who is gonna taste this because we need her approval. Mama Elsie, can you please come to the dance floor?
Oh my.
I'm being really extra right now. Maybe it's because she's here. So listen, I told you how much I love oranges, right? So I'm gonna zest this over top just once more, okay? Stir it like so. I don't even think I've made you an old fashioned, have I?
Yes, you did.
I did?
Because you changed my mind about old.
Oh, that's what Elsie does, okay?
Yes.
So please.
Now I can actually
This is the classic for Old Fashioned Week, okay? You gotta cheers to Old Fashioned Week.
Okay, so let's go. Cheers.
What do you think? Seductive.
Man,
Yes.
awesome.
Everything that you want in a spirit forward cocktail.
Yep.
I don't know what happened to me today, but Old Fashioned Week got me this inspired. Now, if you want to find more of these spirit forward cocktails, more old fashions, Elsie is here to hook you up. Just head over to the Liquid Culture website at liqculture.com and I'm gonna see you there. And you tell me how you like your drink, because I love the feedback.
And don't go shy on the orange zest.
Isn't it essential?
It's essential.
Mama knows.
Yeah.
Mama Elsie knows.
Yes. Now I know.